In this video, I will show you how to create carousel design in Canva in 2026. So we'll design multiple slides step by step and export them. For example, let's say social media or whatever you're going to use it on. So the first thing, just go and open any browser that you want and make sure to type at the URL canva.com. Make sure that you're logged in into an account to find yourself right here. It would be better if you have a Canva Pro because a lot of good features requires a Pro plan, so you'll have to keep that in mind. So now, once you open Canva, make sure that you're logged in into account, as I said. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here. So now we would like to choose the correct format. Click on Create at the top left, and then we'll have to look for the format that we want. So the format that we're going to create the carousel with is an Instagram post example. Just say we're going to use it for, I don't know, like Instagram. So you can use the Instagram posts and hit the enter button. And here we are. We have the Instagram post example ready. So you can choose one of the template that they have here. Make sure that it doesn't have this crown logo. It means that you'll need Canva Pro. If you don't have it, avoid them. If you have them, you can use. If you have the Canva Pro, of course, you can use those things. So for me, yeah, click on apply to 3 pages. And here we are. We use these templates right now. So for you, in this templates panel, you can search for any carousel post that you want. You'll see many designs that already like include some unique slides. If you're using the free plan, make sure that just the templates elements are not marked with the pro plan. Of course, you'll find, as you can see, more like this. If you want to change it, if you didn't like this, you like another one here, make sure to choose that. Just keep in mind, as I said, to avoid those pro. If you don't have pro, if you have it, you can use it. Maybe as an example, I like this more. I can click on apply and I'll change it, or I'll have this instead. And as you can see, I do have now some template that I can work with. Of course, if you don't want to use a template, you want to create something from scratch for yourself, you can do that. Just when you start, don't choose the templates from the left and start working by yourself from scratch. So the first thing that you'd like to do is basically start designing the first slide. So edit the text, edit the background, like edit whatever you want. But what you want to add in the first image or the first page. So the first slide is usually the hook. So for example, make sure to add a question, a bold statement, a topic title, and this slide should show or should make people want to swipe to the next slide. So like this one here, how to build loyal followers. It seems like it's grabbing the attention of that user that's trying to build, for example, some followers for his Instagram. So make sure to include, as I said, a question, a bold statement, or topic title that will grab the attention of the person and will let him slide to the other picture or to the other page. Then make sure to create your additional slides. So click on add page. As you can see, once you go to the last page, you'll find add page. So you can click on add page and add as many slides as you want. Each slide should include or can include example tips, can include steps, can include explanations, can include examples, whatever you want to add on those pages or slides. So all you need to do, just keep the design consistent. Make sure to keep, as an example, once you edit the font and color, keep the carousel professional and use consistent colors, consistent fonts, consistent layout style. Consistency makes the carousel easier to read. If you change, like example, as you can see, the template has the same kind of colors, same fonts, as you can see, same text, same like designs here, top right, top left. If you keep changing, the viewer will, or the viewer that's going to view, of course, the carousel will get, I don't know, it will not become easy to read. That's it. So once you're done, for example, creating everything, you'll have to export the carousel. Once the carousel is finished, click on share at the top right and choose download option. So once you choose download, you'll have to choose the file type. Export the slides as PNG or JPG. As you can see, this is best for sharing, this is best for complex images in illustration. If you add a lot of complex images in illustration, make sure to choose PNG. So editing the size is not so optimal because this Instagram post, make sure to keep it as it is, and you cannot even use it unless you have the Pro. You cannot also limit the file size, compress the file, or have a transparent background unless you have the Pro. So you can compress the file if you do have it. It will make it less or having less size. If you want to, it's not necessary. Here you can choose the pages that you want to export. And once you're done, as example, sorry. So once you're done, just go and click on download. So normally it should download as a zip file because we have multiple pages. If you have just only one pages, it will like download as whatever you had, like a PNG, GPG, whatever. So as example, this is our zip file. Let me just go and check it has all the pages. So it has 6 pages as we have it right here. We do have 6 pages. Even this one is empty, but it's fine. So here we are. We have all the pages that we have or that we created as example. So once you have them all, it's time basically to upload them to your social media. When uploading the images to Instagram or LinkedIn, make sure just to select the multiple images option so they appear as swipers or as swipeable carousel posts, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's all based for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.